UPVC window profile production line use conical twin screw extruder. It's SG-SD65-133 type. The output for this production line is about 180 kilograms per hour. The raw material use PVC resin, calcium carbonate, and other additives. The temperature for this production line is about 160 to 170 degrees. This part is die head mold for PVC window. This is calibration table, which is 6 meters long with vacuum pump and water pump. This profile with co-extrusion type, there is a soft sealing strip, which is co-extrusion online, this part. This small extruder for co-extrusion. This is on-off machine and cutter for UPVC window profile. The final part for whole production line is bracket. This is whole production line for UPVC window profile. If you change different molds, can produce different products. Here you can see clearly how co-extrusion raw material for this co-extrusion is soft PVC. It's online type. You can do it offline. Thanks for watching my video.